Hello students, welcome back to social science class. Today we'll continue the chapter World in the 20th Century. Economic Depression. The United States of America was not affected by the war, hence the European nation managed to get loans from the USA. Consequently, American dollar overtook British pound as the basis of foreign exchange holding. As a result, the United States of America emerged as a new economic power outside Europe. The economic growth of USA did not last long. The world was thrown into economic crisis in 1929, which originated in the USA. Let's see the effect of the economic depression. Unemployment and poverty. Inflation became uncontrollable. Bank collapsed. European nations failed to repay their debts. To overcome this crisis, the European nation adopted a strategy of imposing heavy taxes on the colonies. Therefore, the economic crisis of imperialist nations became a burden to the colonies. Next is fascism. The term fascism is derived from the Latin word fasces, which means a tight bundle of rods with a protruding axe. It was a symbol of the collectivism and power in ancient Rome. Fascism was a product of First World War. The First World War devastated both the Allies. Many European powers lost their power. Unemployment, poverty, inflation, now the entire system. Fascism in Italy and Nazism in Germany rose to power, capitalization on the political and economic chaos. Complete disorder and confusion. Characteristics of fascism: antagonism to democracy and socialism, glorifying the past, justifying a war, adorning the purity of praise, military dictatorship, destruction and political rival, diffusion of aggressive nationalism. War is to man what maternity is to woman. These are the words of Benito Mussolini, who led fascist reign in Italy. Let's discuss the circumstance under which the fascist party came to power in Italy. Italy got nothing, though she was the victors in the First World War. Post-war destruction of industries, unemployment, increase in tax, inflation, etc. kept people away from the government. Industrialists, in fear of Italy moving to socialism, were prompted to support fascism. Next is Hitler and Nazism. Nazism is the German version of fascism. Let's look at the factors that helped Hitler, the leader of Nazi party, come to power in Germany. The Treaty of Versailles imposed by the victorious allies of Germany after the First World War, economic destruction and inflation, failure of Germany government and resultant political uncertainty. With his oratory skill and organization ability, Hitler easily succeeded in gaining popular support. He dismissed the government and captured power. Socialists, communists, Jews and Democrats were executed. Hitler held the Jews responsible for Germans' ruin and humiliation. Jews were massacred and placed in specially built concentration camps. This is known as the Holocaust. A military force, bound shirt, and a secret policy troop, Gestapo, were in charge of assaulting and massacring the Jews. Military service was made compulsory. Hitler incited a spirit of revenge among the Germans against the terms of Treaty of Versailles. He used newspaper, radio, cinema, and education system widely to propagate the ideologies of Nazism. Taking advantage of the feeling of revenge among Germans, Hitler adopted an aggressive foreign policy and he attacked Austria and Czechoslovakia. Germany formed alliance with Italy and Japan. It was opposed by the other country. Ultimately, this led to the outbreak of another world war. The Second World War. 20 years after the end of the First World War, the world witnessed another war. Let's look at the backdrop of the Second World War that lasted from 1939 to 1945. The Second World War causes, Treaty of Versailles, Germany attacked Poland, failure of League of Nations as an international peace organization, policy of appeasement. Military alliances. Italy and Germany, along with Japan, formed an alliance called Axis Power. Countering this alliance, Britain, France, and China formed the Allied Powers. Effects of the war. The entry of Soviet Union and America changed the complexion of Second World War. The Italy and Germany could not withstand the attack and surrendered immediately. Mussolini was killed by the local partition. Hitler committed suicide. The Soviet army moved towards Japan through Trans-Siberia, but before it could reach Japan, the United States of America dropped 2 atom bombs in Japan, Little Boy in Hiroshima on 6th August 1945 and the Fat Man in Nagasaki on 9th August. Soon Japan surrendered. Impacts. Over 10 million people died. European dominance in the world diminished. American Soviet emerged as a global power. Formation of the UNO. The League of Nations was established following the First World War. It failed to maintain world peace. After the Second World War, efforts were taken to set up an organization for preserving global peace. This resulted in the establishment of United Nations Organization on 24th October 1945. The headquarters of the UNA is in New York, United States of America. Decolonization. The USA and USSR, which emerged as a superpower after the Second World War, supported freedom movement in various European colonies. Gradually, colonies started to secure freedom from the imperialist control. This process is called as decolonization. Look at the pictures given below. These are the pictures of the leaders who fought for freedom for their countries. Mahatma Gandhiji, India. Jomo Kenyatta, Kenya. Nelson Mandela, South Africa. Kwame Nkrumah, Ghana. Next is Cold War. The USA and USSR, Union of Soviet Socialist Republican, that formed anti-fascist alliance during the Second World War, parted from each other after the war. The USA floated a new alliance of capitalist countries while the USSR led the socialist nation. These two blocs, capitalist bloc and socialist bloc, that represented contradictory ideas, continued their political and diplomatic wars. This enmity, based on the ideological conflict and diplomatic confrontations, was called the Cold War. Thank you.